Hello. Today I'm going to show you a quick overview of what your SeeSaw class will look like and how to find certain items in your class. So I am logged in as a student. You can see that because it says student right here. My or our class's name will be listed here. It will say Miss Blyler's first grade. 19 to 20. Then you'll see at the top, it will just be the icon that matches our class. I believe I have a picture of my dogs there. Okay, you will see your name listed right here. The student's name will be listed here. All right, so the first thing that you see is the journal. So this is the journal tab. And you can see, I know I'm in journal because it says journal at the top as well. When I scroll through my journal, I can see anything that has been posted to it. Okay, right now we have a checklist. So this is what our checklist will look like for the week. This is just a test model. It's not the actual checklist we will be using. And I've posted it to the test week folder of April 6th. Okay, so if you ever want to get to the checklist to see what the items are for the week, you will click the Journals tab. Another way you can get to this checklist is through the folders icon on the side next to your student name. So when I click the Folders tab, any folders we have will pop up. If I'm looking for the checklist for the week of April 6th, I will click that folder and then I can see the checklist there. The next tab that's very important is the Activities tab. The Activities tab is where you will find all of the items that are listed within the checklist. So if I'm looking for something listed in the checklist, I want to go to the Activities tab and I will be able to find that specific activity by the name. Okay, so I would be looking for the bold letters here and that would be the activity I would want to do. Okay, I will make another video that goes very specifically through how to complete an activity, but I won't do that right in this video. So all of the activities will be here. Once you complete an activity, so after you add a response, you go through all of the directions and you click a green check mark in the corner, the activity will disappear from your activities list. It will no longer appear. Now, all of the enrichment activities, those are the activities that are optional, will also show up in the Activities tab. Okay, so this little 5, this icon here, might not go away if you do not do the enrichment activities, which is fine. You do not have to do the enrichment activities, so that's why this might not go away if you don't do those activities. You must do all the ones listed within the ELA, math, and science area. The enrichment section is optional. One last thing I would like to show. If you come up into the corner, you will see where it says your student and you have how many classes. All students will be listed in my class and then will also be listed in the specials class. So when you click this icon, it should show up with a class list you should have the art class listed, gym class listed, music class, library, and guidance should all be listed in this list. That is where you would find the specials activities. So let's say, for example, on Monday you would like to do art. You would find the art class, you would click on Miss Barr's art class, and you would go through her checklist and follow her guidelines. If on Tuesday you want to do music, you would find the music class right there and do her activities. So as you can see, I have 2 classes. So this would be what our icon is actually going to look like over in the corner. So you'll see the 2 dogs, you'll see our class name, it'll say student, and your name will be listed right here.